like my earlier video blog, right? Find peace. Some people have peace in drama. Some people have peace in trauma. Some people have peace in coworkers. Talking shit about coworkers. I'm learning my peace. My internal peace is here. Just enjoying the quietness, the trees, the birds. Getting away from all the problems in life. Not that I have a lot of problems, but I'm just saying just where I can find me, who I am, what I like. Find my breath again. So where do you find peace? In others? Or yourself? Yourself is where you only can find peace. Yourself, your existence is only where you can find peace. Get to know you as a man, as a woman. Get to know you. We don't have to do things, we get to do things. All those little complaints in your mind, get the fuck away from me. Get out of the complaining mind. The complaining mind is no growth. The complaining mind is stagnant. The blaming mind is stagnant. The blaming mind is also no growth. The peaceful mind is growth. At peace with no complaints, at peace with not blaming other people, at peace with what is. Breath is peace. That's all we have is breath. That's all we have is our breath. I'm not saying that I have complete peace within myself, but I'm learning to be aware of my peaceful state, who I want to be. How do I want the external world to be able to see the peace in me? We all talk about peace, 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 peace this, peace that, peace that. But the way I see the world is not peaceful. It's pieces, little pieces of people. It's not peaceful. You can't find peace in no one but you, yourself, your soul, your spirit, your mental state. If that's not peaceful, then nothing in this world is going to be peaceful. Get to know the peace within you, not pieces of you, but the peace in you. I'm here out in nature, breathing the fresh air, sitting in silence, and enjoying the moment. Don't get caught up in life's problems. Don't get caught up in life's stresses. Don't get caught up in other people's problems or stresses. Because you need to stay strong for you. You need to stay strong for your own family members, your wife, your kids. So, sit with yourself. Get to know your peace. Not pieces of you, but your peace. Thank you for listening. Have a good Saturday.